Hello, everybody. This is Padmapriya Suresh. I'm a storyteller and an educator from Chennai. The story that I'm going to tell today is under the category Storytelling for Education. And this story is from the book Appa Biriyani Samaikalama in Tamil, originally written by Gina, adapted in Tamil by Revati, published by Jagaram Publications. With due credits to the author, let's get into the story. It was Tara's birthday today. Tara woke up happily, remembering her dad's promise. Happy birthday, Tara! Her parents wished her as she walked out of the room. Appa, do you remember the promise? Yes, Tara, of course. I remember the promise. I'm going to make biryani for lunch today. Yay! Shall I help you in making biryani? Yes, Tara, of course. Go get ready first. Tara jumped in excitement. She got ready with her new dress and she started nagging her appa. Appa, when do we start making biryani? Tara, before making biryani, let's check whether we have all the ingredients at our home. Uma immediately started checking the items that they needed for making biryani. Rice, pepper, cumin, so many things. And she found that some items are missing. And Appa said, Tara, why don't you go out with your Amma for shopping and get the things that are needed? Meanwhile, I'll get ready myself and the kitchen for making biryani. Tara noted down the items one by one. turmeric, RISC, no, RICE, rice, PEPPER, pepper, cumin, and the list went on. Tara took her shopping bag and she rushed out of the house with her Amma to the market. Amma took Tara directly to Raju uncle's grocery shop. Tara, on seeing Raju uncle, jumped in excitement. Uncle, today is my birthday and Appa is going to make delicious biryani for me and I'm going to help Appa to make biryani. Give me these list of items. Immediately I want. Haha, is it your birthday today? Happy birthday, Betty. Eat chocolates from this box. Enjoy your day. Wait, you know what? There is a bag of basmati rice freshly arrived. Pick one bag. And the remaining items I don't have in my shop because the shop is getting renovated. But yesterday I got fresh turmeric from Andhra Pradesh. Why don't you use this turmeric in your biryani? And Tara became so excited. Thank you, uncle. Come home for lunch. Tara took a bag of basmati rice and turmeric and she ran outside in excitement. And there on the road, she saw Samir and Farida auntie and she became so excited and she invited them for her birthday too. Samir and Farida auntie wished Tara a very happy birthday and said, just wait a minute, Tara. We are going to give you something. Farida auntie had some fresh saffron streaks that she got from Kashmir when she went for summer vacation and she handed over them to Tara and asked her to include that in the biryani. ये भी बिरयानी में डाल दो बहुत अच्छा flavor होगा. And Tara became so happy and she continued running and jumping where she met Joel uncle. Huh? Her favorite Joel uncle from Manipur. And he said, Tara, I know it's your birthday today because you're looking so pretty, Tara. Tara, एक minute रुको. And he gave her some dry chilies. बेटी, मुझे पता है, पापा बिरयानी बनने के लिए तैयार हो रहा है. ये भी ड्राई चिल्ली बिरयानी में डालो. It's fresh from Manipur. Tara jumped again, and as she walked on the road after thanking Joel uncle, someone calling her, Mole, wait, Chaya, Mole. Tara looked back. It was her favorite Beena auntie, Mole. Birthday? Huh? Happy birthday, Mole. Wait, Chaya. Take this pepper, Melagu, Kerala Melaga. Huh? Biryani add ചെയ്യാം. പക്ക ഫ്ലേവർ ഉണ്ട്. Tara so happily thanked Bina auntie, invited her for lunch, and she started jumping again on the road where she met Meera auntie, who gave her some cumin seeds to be added to her biryani, and finally Tara got her list of items ready. She jumped and came home thanking and inviting everybody for lunch, and her appa was ready with all the items for making biryani. Yes, shall we all make biryani now along with Tara and her dad? For that, first let's wash the meat and chop it into small pieces. Chop, chop, chop the meat short. Chop, chop, chop the meat short. Drops of lemon juice. Add some cut to fuse. Pinch of turmeric and leave it quite to rest. Yes, and now let's take some basmati rice and wash it. Wash, wash, wash the rice clean. Wash, wash, wash the rice clean. Add some water and leave it quite to rest. Now let's take some onions, some chilies given by Manpuri uncle. Then let's take some ginger, garlic, and let's grind them to a paste. Now let's take a big vessel, heat it on a stove top, add some oil, some biryani leaves, some cardamom, cloves, pudina, coriander, curry leaves, onion, tomato, and mix them well. Add some meat, rice, chili powder, pepper powder. Yes, from that pepper from Kerala Milagu. And add required amount of water and stir, stir the rice and spice. Stir, stir the meat so nice with some curry leaves. Add on saffron streaks. Yes, saffron streaks from Kashmir. Yes, let's cook the steak. Tara was so excited. She felt her appa's love and affection smelling all over. And after about 20 minutes, her biryani was ready and their guests were also ready. And Tara served them hot biryani. And together, everybody sang, Happy birthday, Tara! Happy birthday, Tara! Happy birthday, Tara! Happy birthday to you! Tara thanked everybody, but she took some biryani in a box and ran outside the house. Tara, where are you going? Oh, wait! Tara immediately ran to Raju uncle's shop carefully on the road and she handed over the box of biryani because he did not come for lunch as he was very busy. Raju uncle just hugged Tara and wished her birthday once again, and that was the happiest ever birthday that Tara had. Did you all enjoy this story? Do you all learn to make biryani? Yes, try and let me know. Thank you, everyone.